Hey, what's up guys? So let's do a quick bench test here with the Spectre III against the Valentine One Gen 1 and the new Valentine One Gen 2. I just saw a test like this done on an RDF by Variable Wave and his results look super promising. And so before I go out and actually do the on-road testing, I wanted to go ahead and do a similar test here and see if I can replicate his results. So with that said, let's go ahead and fire up the original V1. And yep, so done testing with this before, and the V1 itself is definitely detectable, but that's not really what's new or what's interesting. Check out what happens now when we fire up the new V1 Gen 2. Check this out. It's sitting here right next to the Spectre 3, and the Spectre itself is totally silent. That is a big difference. That's super impressive. All right, next we can try with the Spectre and the V1 Gen 2 in line to see what this is like. And it looks like the V1, it's actually falsing to the Spectre, but the Spectre is not able to pick up the V1 from the rear antenna. Start getting a little bit closer. And right around here, maybe a foot-ish or so, the Spectre starts to be able to pick up the V1. But if we move it a little bit farther away again, the V1 is still falsing, but the Spectre goes silent. If we try the primary antenna, looks like we're getting kind of similar results here. Looks like the Spectre's starting to go off. Pull it back. Not off camera there. Maybe we'll move this one a little. But you can see, yeah, I mean, this is maybe 2 feet or so. And again, the Spectre is still not able to pick up the V1. So this is extremely promising. And so for all intents and purposes, it looks like, yeah, the new V1 Gen 2 is going to be RDD immune and undetectable by the Spectre 3. Good job, Valentine. That's extremely impressive. And that's a big change from the V1 Gen 1.